everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. Sorry I didn't have a video go up last Friday. I was waiting for my light, which is so much better now. I can see and my videos look clearer, so that's good. I'm just going to jump right into a thrift haul. This is just the past couple of weeks of stuff. It's not a whole lot. I haven't been out all that often, to be quite honest. We've just been busy with other stuff, so I'll just jump right into it. I've mentioned before I'm getting some wood-handled kitchen utensils, and I found an ice cream scoop for $1.99. This is going to go in my own personal stash and go in a crock, so we've got those cute wooden handles all in there. For 99 cents, I bought this cute little tiny wood toolbox. I'm just going to get a paint job, probably more than likely some sort of a stencil or vinyl on here. And I found the mother load of bread boxes. I got 3 bread boxes in one day. I could not believe it. Still in dealing with my arm not being fully healed, so give me a sec while I wrestle with these because it's not easy to do. We've got this one first up. We see this one a lot. In fact, I just sold one of these, and so it's all good. But this was $6.99. As you can see, it rolls smoothly. This will get a paint job and a stencil. These are superb sellers for me. I don't think I've ever not sold one of them, ever. Next up is a big, heavy one. This may take a sec. This one needs a little bit of love to it. Oh, I want to add a little handle. Again, this pulls up and down pretty smoothly. I love this size of them. I love this size. I like this added little spot, but it does need a little bit of love. So that one was $5.99. Weirdly enough, it was cheaper than the other. And that one's real wood and the other one's not, so who knows. And then we have another one. This one sits like this. It opens on the top. Real wood, as you can see. This one was $4.99. Again, paint and stencil, and it's nice out, so everybody's in and out, and it's lunchtime, so all the kids are off of school right now. Next up, and I started working already down here. I'm still on a mirror kick. These were $4 each, so I have 2 of them like this. They already have little added, they must have had a wire, which seems odd, but they have little hangers on them on the back already, and I got 2 of them, but I've already started painting one, and I'll bring it in close for that. There we go, you can kind of see, you can see my tools. You can see the distressing I'm already getting on there, so those needs waxed and cleaned up still, so $4 each on those. I got paintable wallpaper. What I love about paintable wallpaper is if I'm doing the back of a hutch and it's just icky, I like to put this in the back and use some spray adhesive and then attach it, and then you can either paint it or leave it white. If you leave it white though, it's not very friendly to wash, so putting a sealant on it for sure is a good thing to do. I think I've mentioned before that I had this crock set, and it's a set of 4 wood lid ceramic tops. I finally got it brought downstairs. I will be taking these off, sanding these, and restaining. I think I'm just going to go with like a dark walnut on these, and that's it. I don't think I'm going to add anything to the fronts of these. I also have 2 of these chairs. I know you can't see them, but there's 2. All wood, very, very sturdy. I think we paid $10 for the 2 of them. And then last but not least, I have 2 of these. You can see this one and then a much, much bigger one. The glass is all intact, and the whole reason I bought them is the inserts also come out. So if, say, you don't like the candles in there and you want to use it for seasonal decor or a big pillar, you've got it. This one was, these are both party light. This one was $6.99, the big one was $10. And inside the 10 is this for the candles and some greenery and whatnot, but really good, easy flips for those because they look great in any decor. And like I said, it was a small haul, but lots of fun stuff. I am actually going to be working downstairs today, so I should have get a DIY video up and going. I need to clean off my workspace first because it's atrocious, but I'm going to get this cleaned up and then I'll have some stuff to show you. So watch for another upcoming video soon. We'll see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Oh, one other thing I totally forgot because it's not down here. It's upstairs. So we will add a photo in somewhere of a little entryway table I got, and it's like a semicircle, but it has like fake books on it. But I'll post a picture, and then I actually already have started a transformation on that. It's not real wood, and it's in worse condition than I thought, but I only paid 12 bucks, and I love the shape, and it will be a perfect entryway table. So I'll share that, but otherwise, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you guys next time.